Let's bake. The Anamix 6 are all in the clubhouse, wondering what to do with their day. "I have an idea," said Big Eye. "Why don't we bake a cake that's really tasty and suitable for our low-protein diet too?"
"Oh, yes, that sounds brilliant,"
said Megabyte.
"And I'm hungry."
You're always hungry, said the rest of the gang, laughing. "Okay then," said Big Eye. "Let's find the perfect recipe." Back in the kitchen, the gang found lots of recipes to choose from. Brains had lots of cookery books. One recipe was everyone's favorite though: low-protein carrot cupcakes.
"What are the ingredients that we need?"
said the Omega twins.
"We'll check the cupboards and make sure we have everything we need."
The Anamix 6 read through the recipe for low-protein carrot cupcakes very carefully.
"These low-protein cupcakes have real carrots in them,"
thought Megabyte. That made him very happy. Megabyte loved carrots. "It's really important that we measure everything very carefully and make sure all the ingredients are the same as those in our low-protein cookbook," said Brains. "Then we know that whatever we bake is perfect for our low-protein diet." The Omega twins measured all the ingredients and put them in the bowl for Bones to mix together. Bones was always the best at mixing ingredients together because he's the strongest of all the gang. The ingredients have been weighed and mixed exactly, and now the low-protein carrot cupcakes are in the oven.
"Are they ready yet?"
asked Megabyte. He was always hungry.
No,
said the Anamix 6.
They have to bake for a while yet.
And then we will have to decorate them, said Big Eye. Megabyte had spotted a spare carrot. He decided that as he was very hungry, he would eat it while they waited. Megabyte did love his carrots. The low-protein carrot cupcakes were ready. Brains very carefully took them out of the oven and placed them on a wire rack to cool. "Now I think we should decorate the cakes to make them even prettier," said Brains. The gang all chose one cake each and decorated them in lots of different ways. Who would be the best? All the cakes were now decorated and all together on one big plate. They looked fantastic. Megabyte, who was the hungriest of all, wanted to eat his cake straight away.
"Whose cake has the best decoration, though?"
he said. "Everyone's cake is the best," said Brains. He always knew what to say. "And now, let's eat."
"At last,"
thought Megabyte. The Anamix 6 have created a special recipe sheet so you can make your own low-protein carrot cupcakes too. To look at the recipe, you just need to visit the website and go to www.anamix6.com/fun-stuff and click on the box that says Recipes. Let us know what you think. Will your cakes look as good?